Hey peeps, it is Melanie and Jesse, and we are Team Bonafide at Berkshire Hathaway Home Services, Laffey International Realty. We are in our Woodbury office. We can also be found in Williston Park, and welcome to everything Long Island.
That's right, everything Long Island.
You know what? Today is going to be a great day because I want to talk about home renovations because I think it's really important, and I don't think that people really understand how important it is to get their home together and showing at the best version of itself when you're putting your home on the market. I mean, staging is so important, but I don't mean like renting furniture from a staging. I mean like either doing home renovations, zhuzhing it up a little bit with some white towels and, and bath mats, but that's the end of the story. The